it.
Oh, wow.
Check it out. Nice. Cool.
Ooh, good. Stuff's marked, too. Those are cool.
What, these dudes?
Yeah. Not sure if they have any value, but they're kind of cool.
But Kayla and Matt always say handcrafted stuff.
Yeah.
You can have a whole lot, like the whole...
Yeah. I don't know if there's a market for that, but... Cool. Boy, this is cool. I like my kitchenware.
Which has some embroidery on it.
Yeah. Here, I gotta go. I'm gonna be like all over the place. I know, it's like the Disneyland of rummage sales.
You know, I got a bunch of bands that we could sell too.
Do you? Oh.
21 pieces.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at a rummage sale. It's a church rummage sale, and we did not get there till afternoon, but there was still plenty of finds to be had, as you're going to see in this video. Always looking for wrenches. This one's made in the USA, so should be good. So that wrench I have listed for $10 already, and this Waring vintage blender, I have that currently listed for $50. It's in excellent shape, and I think it's going to do well for us. Man, I've often wanted one of those. Never knew whether they actually worked. We're gonna find out. For a quarter. I don't know where Patty went to. Find anything, babe? What's that?
There was something I saw on the table, but I wonder.
Snoopy.
Oh, I like Snoopy.
How much is the plush?
Stuffed
animals.
Or 2, large or 3.
Okay. I don't know what that's considered. He does something, or he did do something.
Thank you.
These batteries or
I don't know.
okay.
This guy, let's see.
Coles. I do like the this one's cool. Is he considered a squishmallow?
No.
No.
Oh, Baby Yoda. Another puzzle.
Yeah. Hey, would you mind carrying that just to help me out?
That's what I saw. Where is it? It's fresh. Fresh.
Oh, from... No, it's not. Is it? Doesn't say Nickelodeon?
Oh. Oh, buffalo, marine color.
Yeah.
This is what I saw. That's funny.
Yeah.
What was that, a Thomas Kincaid? Terry Redmond? This is a Terry Redmond.
Yeah. Angie likes doing puzzles.
Mm-hmm.
This one's kind of cool.
That one is cool.
1,000 pieces.
That one's cool. Okay.
You want to count another 1,000 pieces?
Piece of puzzle.
Clothing prices are good.
Alfani. I don't know about Alfani.
Yeah, we bought one shirt that's never sold. There's a Columbia, but again, I don't know if Columbia is a big...
Okay.
On the whole table with your name on
Oh, could we? My arm's about killing
I
me.
know, I was just thinking that's not the lightest weight. What's the first name?
Patrick.
Patrick,
I
okay.
can follow you.
Okay.
Thank you. As you saw on the sign there, the clothes are super cheap. Like tops are $1, pants are $1, even shoes were $1 unless they were marked. And so I pick up several men's shirts here, including several Nike quick dry shirts that we will easily 10x our money on.
What's your thoughts? They're called Itty Bitties. These are like, they're called Itty Bitties. I assume this is like from Star Wars.
Looks like it.
And then you got Darth Vader here.
Yep.
And then these are Marvel, and these are more like Disney Darth Vader.
Is that up?
I gotta look. I gotta open it up.
How do you know? It definitely says Disney. Do they say what they are then? Oh, it says Star Wars.
And these are the brand is Itty Bitty.
Have you ever heard of them?
Well, I think it might be something. And these are Marvel.
Yeah.
Right here, these guys. These are 3 and 3. Would you find a skirt?
Hey, you like that?
That's really pretty.
It's just a chaps, but
Pretty.
Denver Broncos.
Denver Broncos.
So what did you call those things? Little bitties, itty bitties? What are they?
Itty bitty plush.
Itty bitty.
Star Wars plush.
Well, there might be a Hallmark thing. Oh yeah. They were a Hallmark thing, it looks like. They could be whatnot too.
That's what I wondered.
Yeah, definitely get them.
What about the Marvel? I wonder.
Yeah, get them all.
Okay.
Well, I think maybe they were already. Good.
Nice. This is pretty.
Time's this over?
I don't know. They are cleaning up, aren't they?
Well, they could just be trying as tables are emptying. Yeah.
Ooh, what's this? Look at this. What's it say on the back?
Doesn't say anything on the back. One of the things we're really trying to do is look over clothes better before we purchase them. And so that's why I'm holding these up, because what I'm doing is I'm just looking for snags or any blemishes, and definitely looking for stains. Now, sometimes we can get the stains out. We use OxyClean and it will work, but it's just really something we've started focusing on more, is trying to get better at making sure what we're buying is something we can actually resell. Found a pair of Sperry's in pretty decent shape. They're only in a box.
Well, and there's Converse too. Converse. Trying to put them down.
Are they?
That's what I wanted to make sure. A 4. Men's 4. Those are tiny.
Oh, they're tiny.
Might be fun, huh?
Yeah. A quarter.
This one's 2-piece set for 4.
This is a 2-piece set for 4.
That's kind of pretty, don't you think? This one's a quarter.
You want this set? Or do you think that's too much?
Huh. What's this one? Quarter. Just a necklace, isn't it?
Just a necklace, yep.
Should I not use this one? Huh.
For a quarter? No, what? I end up going back to these hand-painted wooden cutouts of like an Amish couple and several little Amish village pieces. Patty had looked at these earlier, and I ended up only paying $5 for the whole set. So we went ahead and picked those up, and we will sell them as a complete set and see how they do. Hey, babe.
Oh.
You think that would work for the snow cones?
Yeah.
You know how we make snow cones, we need something to set them in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely.
All right. All right, we're going to take it for $5. I'm not going to be afraid of shipping. I'm not going to be afraid of shipping. I'm not going to be afraid of shipping. Isn't that what you just do? You just tell yourself? Actually, we've shipped quite a few breakables so far. I almost walked up to the wrong wife.
Thank you.
I like that one.
Did you find something?
I like this one.
Cool.
What's the big one? These are like, I'm trying to think if this is like costuming and stuff. There's 2 necklaces in there.
Okay.
This is really pretty, but it's $4.
They just put the things
This
down.
is just,
It's up to you.
yes, we have a lot of this color already.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's a lot of old school watches.
Yeah, there's a bunch of watches over here.
Our total bill here was $80, and we believe we're going to be able to list for over $250 and think we're going to do really well from today's haul. We appreciate you coming along. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.